At the Chula Vista Elementary School District, the Parent Implementation Program, also known as PIP, is a free opportunity for families with children ages 3 to 5 to learn side by side in a supportive classroom setting. During each session, children take part in interactive activities that strengthen language, problem solving, and social development. As they build, create, and explore together, they practice expressing emotions, working with others, and navigating everyday situations with guidance from caring educators and therapists. Families remain actively involved throughout the session, observing and participating in activities while gaining insight into how their child learns, communicates, and navigates the world around them. Participants also spend time with trained staff, talking through everyday parenting experiences and exploring practical approaches for encouraging positive behavior, supporting communication, and creating routines that help their child feel confident and secure. Along the way, families connect with one another, sharing ideas and perspectives as they learn together. Through these shared experiences, PIP helps families better understand their child's development while providing a supportive environment where children can grow and build confidence. To learn more about PIP and how to participate, visit CVESD.org or contact your school site.